we're doing some lunges. I like to switch up my lunges sometimes. So today I'm gonna do barbell lunges and I'm just gonna walk. I usually count the steps, but sometimes I just do it for a certain distance, down and back. Easy peasy, man. I got 95 on the bar. I usually go up to about 115. Anything higher than that for me, I'm gonna start cheating and it's not gonna look good. So simple, just walk. Make sure you get good depth. I like to reset, not rush my steps. And then walking it back. Y'all can't see me right now. And then I'll just go back with it. Reset my step. Boom. And what I mean by reset, when I'm lunging, I'm coming back up, reset, and then walking again. Just like that. Try those. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button.